Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Udemy courses on PC. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to download courses here on Udemy, well, there is a way for you to do this. Now, first things first is you need to download the app or the add-on that you need to use to download those courses. So in this case, you want to open up Udemy you want to go open up any browser here, and you want to go ahead and basically just type in Udemy downloader. Now, by the way, it is recommended that you use Microsoft Edge for this one because it's a Microsoft Edge add-on here. So you can go and open up Microsoft Edge here, open up any tab here, just search for it. But yeah, let's go and click on Udemy Downloader here for Microsoft Edge add-ons. Now, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and click on Get. And from here, what we need to do is you just need to basically click on Add Extension. Wait for a while here. Just wait for it to be installed. And as you can see, let's go and click on View Extension. And from here, if you double click on it, it should now have your Udemy downloader. Now, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and open up Udemy here. So go ahead and just log in into your account. Now, what we need to do is you want to go and search for courses here that you want. So let's go and just maybe say IT. So anything about IT or web development, anything that you want. But yeah, in this case, you may want to filter this further. So let's go and click on filter. Let's go and choose free. And let's go and just select this one. And maybe I want to select this one, introduction to cloud computing. Now let's go and just click on the option here for enroll now. It's going to be added in our courses. And once it's actually added in our courses, you want to go ahead back into your Udemy downloader here. Click on my courses. And as you can see, it's now going to be in there, Introduction to Cloud Computing. Like, you go and click on Get Video List here. It's going to list every video that is included inside the Udemy platform here. So just wait for a while. But once it's actually fully loaded up, you should now have the download button here, download option. You can go and click on download, and you are pretty much good to go here. So just give me the idea. Let's go and click on download here. Wait for a while. As you can see, it's now downloaded. So you can go and click on the download here. You can go and just click on the folder here to see where you've downloaded, as you can see right now. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.